already know. Whoa, 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 whoa! Jesus Christ. That was an asshole move. You were in the red. You were in the red. Yep, they were in the red because they have a green over that way. Yep, yep, yep. Sugar. Those red arrow snips. What the hell are you doing? Gas station regret. I don't know. Yeah, pick this one. We brought you to the same place, but whatever. Back door, front door. Doesn't matter. There's a car there, stupid! Get off my ass, princess. Haha, you're first to the red light. Yes. Thank you! Ah, crud. You're gonna run it. You ran it. Who's gonna run it? All three of them. That was a cutoff, lady. Thank you. Stay in your lane, lady. It wasn't a stop, old man. Red light runner. Hello. Yeah, okay. Think I'm letting you in? No. 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 For HYS41. He didn't stop. Because camera. Why are you slowing down? Why? Watch where you're going, lady. Not you. You stop tailgating me too, alright? I wasn't beeping at you! I wasn't beeping at you. It was the idiot behind me. She tried to run me off the road. Go, 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 go. It's pouring out. I'll take the window all the way down. Holy fuck, holy fuck, holy, holy, holy fuck. Say that was a sudden. That's a sudden end. All right. Are we through with that? Don't you? Shithead. Hammered. That's it. Thank you. Subutard. You're close enough. Thank you. Jesus. Oh, too close. You did not stop. I know, you're gonna run the right or red. You got my ass, thank you. Dude, there are cars coming. There are, Jesus Christ. I knew we'd do that. So here's a new one. It's a supermarket. Little girl. Around 8 years old or so. Riding a skateboard through the store. Doing flips and shit. I was ready to flip my shit. Yeah. Leave you fucking brats at home. Go! Go! Fucking shithead.